तो अपना माइंडसेट ऐसा चेंज करना पड़ेगा दैट देयर आर इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज़ अराउंड मनी। आपके पास बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, बट हमारा माइंडसेट ऐसा बचपन से बना जाता है दैट वी रिस्ट्रिक्ट आवर सेल्फ दैट सिर्फ एक या दो तरीके ही हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए। बट in today's world, we need to open our eyes and see that all the rich people, all the businessmen have got tremendous opportunities to make money. वो सिर्फ एक ही रूट से कभी भी पैसा नहीं कमाते हैं. They know 100 ways in order to generate their income. So definitely in order to generate that amount of money, you need to have the mindset that you're open to learning and growing yourselves and being aware of what exactly is the current market situation and how you can become more and more financially secure in future. So definitely you need to change your mindset. Second rule which I would like to share here is that you need to overcome your fear around money. So money, like मैंने previous videos में भी share करा है कि money is a form of energy and you should not have the mindset of chasing after money. You should be that आपका mindset ऐसा होना चाहिए that money, so you should not be scared of spending around money and आपको कोई ऐसा फील नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ देर इज़ ऑलवेज फीलिंग ऑफ लैक. You should always overcome that fear. So in order to do that, what you need to do is that you write down what are your goals and what are you planning to do. So if you're planning for a wedding, if you're planning to buy a car or a home, then what is the first thing which comes to your mind when it comes to spending your money? Is it fear? Is it worry? Is it this thing that it's not enough? Then definitely you need to do something about it. You need to write that goal down and try to change your thoughts in terms of money. So you can say that okay, this is the money which I want to make, and there I would work every day in order to generate that amount of income. And